Hi, this is Jessica with the Frilly Coconut, and today I'm going to do a little tutorial on a particular plugin that will help you deactivate text selection on your WordPress blog. I first wanted to show you how I stumble upon the plugins that I use. If it's not word of mouth, then it's likely that I'm coming here and the URL is wordpress.org/extend/plugins. This is the plugin directory for all wordpress.org plugins. I like the ease of searching for things right here. And so this is what I do. I come here and I know of a particular function that I would like to find in a plugin, and in this instance it was deactivating text selection. So I would type that in right here, deactivate text selection, and search. Now I've already done this, so I found a particular plugin to use and I'm going to show you how to install it. Just wanted to point out how I search for them. I find that it's much more effective to search for plugins here than it is to just Google for plugins, but whatever works for you is whatever works for you. This is just what works for me. So I'm going to install the plugin that I know I want to use. I've logged into my WordPress dashboard and I'm going to click on plugins and I'm going to click add new, and it brings me to this page. This is where I typed in Blog Protector, which is the name of the plugin that I'm going to show you how to use today. I've already installed it, so yours will look a tad bit different than mine. Just make sure that you install it and you activate the plugin. The next thing that you want to be sure and do, just like you want to do with any plugin that you want to install, is you want to go and you want to edit the settings so that you make sure the plugin functions as you would like for it to. So click the drop down arrow next to settings and click Blog Protector. When you get to this page, you'll notice that this particular plugin has two different features that it offers. The first feature that it offers is disabling the right click of a mouse. I will tell you that I don't use this particular function with this plugin because I don't like the way it operates. For one, it has a pop-up message. No matter if you leave this area blank or not, it always has a pop-up message. I don't like pop-ups in this instance. The second thing that it does that I don't like is it disables right click everywhere on the blog. I'm the kind of person, I have this weird little quirk that I can't explain, but when I go to websites like this, I right click over a link and I open it in a new tab or a new window. I don't really know why. Again, just a weird quirk, one of those things about me. So to make it easier for me and maybe anybody else out there who has that same little quirk, I decided not to enable this feature on my blog. I don't want to disable right click everywhere. So I have left this unchecked right here to make sure that's not activated. The next option that it offers is deactivating text selection and image dragging. Text selection is just like highlighting text. Image dragging is going like this. I'm going to click on the image, I'm going to drag it, and you can drop it. I don't really care about that one way or another. I would prefer that it's not done because to me that's just a form of stealing my images. So I just I check this box and I disable that feature because it's a part of deactivating the text selection. So I'm I guess I don't go one way or the other on that. I just disable it because it's a part of this feature. So click update, and then I'm going to show you in a blog post how this works. I'm going to click and drag to highlight text, and you'll notice that it doesn't do anything special. It just doesn't allow a reader or a visitor to highlight text. And the main reason that I use this particular plugin is to prevent my content from being stolen. Unfortunately, I know that many of you have dealt with this, having your content stolen, and this is just one of those ways you can complicate that for somebody. They obviously can still steal it by just typing up what you've already typed up. However, this just makes it more difficult. It doesn't make the cursor do anything weird for people who aren't necessarily trying to steal. It just doesn't allow the selection of text. So that's why I'm particularly fond of this. It's easy to install, easy to use. I like the settings for it, and it just happens to work for me. So I hope this is something you'll consider using if you think it will be helpful. If you have any questions about it, feel free to let me know and I will see if I can help you solve the problem. Thanks for watching.